Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a watercolor canvas backpack. For the materials, you'll need a white canvas backpack, a watercolor palette, fabric medium, and brushes. First, take the backpack and wet it down. This part is optional, but I chose to put a piece of cardboard inside to keep the paints from bleeding through. Then wet your paintbrush and start painting the colors on. There's no rhyme or reason to this, so just pick out your colors and get to painting. After you're done, take another bowl of water and pour about half of the water amount in fabric medium. Mix it together and brush it all over the bag. This will help the paint stick and not fade. Then remove the cardboard and set the paint by putting the backpack in the dryer. After it's dry, wash it like normal. And that's it! It's so cute and easy and really helps you show off your unique personality. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching.